Hey, if you are using your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro and you have this problem with the navigation, so for example, instead of going back, you are selecting some options. I had the same issue, and I'm gonna show you what is actually working in my Band 8 Pro. So let's go, for example, into the settings, go into the display, and select, for example, the automatic lock. So take a look. Now when I try to go back, okay, right now it actually works, but when I was using it for the first time, instead of going back, I was selecting like this options. So it actually helps me to swipe from the left side, but at the bottom or at the top of the screen. So like this. Also, we can try to click on this left upper corner, but it's actually really hard because this indicator of this option is really small, so it's actually hard to reach it. But as I said before, it helps me to swipe like this at the bottom of the screen. So if you are using this device for like more than 1 or 2 hours, you will actually definitely get used to it and you will actually know how to navigate. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.